YouTube. Welcome to Dog Day afternoon. Well, I guess it's afternoon. It's 12:20 in the afternoon. Cool Dog just come out to take a break. Cool Dog come out to check things out. It's another one of them depressingly quiet days here in South Carolina. But I did hear a strange sound way off in the distance just now. Did you hear that? Well, at least we usually hear something. It might not always be what we think it is, but we do hear something, right? Cool Dog heard it. Yeah, you did. I see you. She's looking at me like I'm an idiot. She's like, what's your problem? Be quiet, dude. Shut up. Well, I heard that too. Well, that was a bizarre sound, wasn't it? So I did catch something. Now I'm happy. Got some bizarre sounds in South Carolina. And if you heard them, be sure to let me know in the comments below. If you know what they are, let me know what you think. Be sure to like, subscribe, and ring that stupid little bell for that Cool Dog. Blog over.